The Expand-A-Gate is designed to set up quickly and easily when needed. They are ideal for preventing potential accidents. The lightweight design allows personnel to quickly retrieve the gate and limit access to unsafe areas. It has a smooth operating scissor action that is interlocking and nestable. Suffix C features casters. Suffix W features a wall mount. The model PEXGATE is made of aluminum construction. The model PEXGATE is constructed of heavy-duty molded yellow and black plastic. One side of the gate includes reflectors for better visibility. The end pieces are hollow and may be filled with liquid for added weight. Some assembly is required.